Hi, it's Justin with MarineMax Charleston, and today I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour on this brand new 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX outboard. It's a beautiful full color hull in Sea Ray blue, Mercury 200 V6 outboard motor, and you can see here it comes with this tandem axle trailer. Let's hop aboard, take a look at some of the options and features. All right, one step down into the cockpit. You can see we have ample amount of seating. Really comfortable, an angled backrest, so you're not sitting straight up and down. It's very comfortable for your guests. Notice all the bolsters on the side, so you don't have bare fiberglass. Very comfortable. And then under where I'm sitting is an insulated drain cooler. Perfect to put all your drinks and ice for the day. Moving forward, we have a companion cockpit seat here that flips. Plenty of leg space here, so your knees are not touching the bulkhead. And then at the helm, nice sport bucket seats, flip up bolsters, so you can stand or sit down. It's equipped with a Simrad GPS and fish finder, fusion stereo head unit and speakers. This boat also has a nice LED lighting package, so all the cup holders, rope lighting in the bow, very nice ambient lighting for an evening out on the water. Now looking forward, we have this currently positioned in the sun lounge position. 3 full-size adults can lay up there. Let's take a minute. I'm going to take that out and show you what it looks like with it out. All right, now that I removed the bow filler cushion, you can see we have full walk-through space here. Dual loungers on each side. Cup holders that are recessed, so your drinks won't spill when you're underway. Again, this is Justin, MarineMax Charleston. Visit us at marinemax.com/Charleston, or click the link and find out more information on this great boat.